beginning with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficial. This is Muhammad Shafiq from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you. Today we are going to discuss about an idiom that is put heads together. I'll tell you its English and Urdu meaning along with some sentences and synonyms. So let's get started. Put your heads together means to discuss a difficult problem together and try to solve it. बाहम सलाह मशवरा करना या एक साथ मिलकर किसी मुश्किल मसले पर तबादला ख्याल करते हुए और इससे हल करने की बेहद कोशिश करना. We will put our heads together on this matter this evening and then I'll tell you tomorrow morning. हम आज इस मामले पर आपस में सलाह मशवरा करेंगे और फिर मैं कल सुबह आपको बता दूंगा. My parents will put their heads together during Eid holidays and check whether they can tackle this issue or not. मेरे वालिदैन ईद की छुट्टियों में बाहमी सलाह मशवरा करेंगे और देखेंगे कि आया वो इस मसले से निपट सकते हैं या नहीं. Synonyms: consult, confer, discuss or deliberate. Hope you learned something from this video. If yes, then share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.